Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to talk about some test taking strategy which you can apply while appearing in CAT which is slated shortly. आप exam time में कैसे अपने आप को strategize करो ताकि आपका performance enhance कर दे. These are short strategies where a lot of students have already applied in the previous year CAT papers and they have been able to enhance their scores drastically. So this can even work for you. So strategy number one is that आप अपना पेपर sequentially मत start करिए. That means don't start it in a chronological order. बहुत सारे students क्या करते हैं, वो start करते हैं एक सेक्शन, जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल पहला सेक्शन VARC है तो आपने क्वेश्चन नंबर पहला सेट किया, फिर दूसरा किया, फिर तीसरा किया, और हो सकता है बाय द टाइम 40 मिनट्स ओवर हो गए और आपने लास्ट के 10 क्वेश्चन देखे ही नहीं. सो दिस शुडंट हैपन. सो अ बेटर वे कैन बी, अगर 40 मिनट का सेक्शन है तो स्पेंड एटलीस्ट 2 मिनट्स इन टर्म्स ऑफ स्कैनिंग and dividing the paper or a section into rounds, round 1, round 2 and round 3. So dividing into rounds, round 1 वो questions है which are easy or sitters, round 2 questions are questions which are of moderate difficulty level, while round 3 questions are questions which are difficult, which are ideally there to be left in an examination. अब आपको क्या करना है, let's say for example आपने 8 to 10 questions easy level के identify कर लिए, 7 to 8 questions moderate और 7 to 8 questions difficult. So now maximum amount of time that you should be spending out of those 40 minutes that you are allocated, that you have been assigned for a section, should be there doing those easy level question, because probability of getting them right is very high. तो maybe 20 से 25 मिनट आपने easy questions किए, 8 से 9, उसके बाद आपने 15 मिनट लगाए moderate, और ideally difficult questions are there to be left in an examination, वो करना ही नहीं है. So इसकी वजह से हो सकता है आपने एक सेक्शन में 12 से 13 क्वेश्चन सही कर लिए हैं, which will definitely help you to clear the cutoff of that particular section. This is number one. Number two, don't fall in pit of doing questions which are difficult ones. तो अगर कोई भी question आपको ऐसा लगता है which is consuming a lot of your energies, so leave that and move ahead. That is a trap. So there are a lot of questions which are ideally there to distract you, to take a lot of your energies and put you on a wrong track. So don't take any question on your ego. अगर आपको लगता है कि 1 मिनट में आपको उसका कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा है तो leave that and move ahead. ज़्यादा अपना don't bang your head doing a particular question. तो इसको छोड़ो और आगे बढ़ो. Maybe there are easy ones slated in the later half of that particular section. So do that. Third strategy is that read all the questions and instructions very very thoroughly. ये गलती नहीं होनी चाहिए कि क्वेश्चन कुछ और पूछ रहा है और आपका मिसइंटरप्रिटेशन की वजह से वो क्वेश्चन गलत हो गया. सो रीडिंग should be very thoroughly. भले ही 2 बार एक क्वेश्चन पढ़ना पड़े तो भी that's okay, but the interpretation should be intact. कई बार क्या होता है, दिया होता है कि find the meaning which is not matching, और आपने उसका नॉट मिस करके मैचिंग कर लिया and then you end up getting the wrong answer. So this should not happen. Strategy number 4 is method of elimination. So there are a lot of questions. So this paper is checking your management skills. It's not about getting the right answer by solving it. It's also about finding what cannot be the right answer. So in case you are able to eliminate 2 to 3 options which cannot be your answer, then you can definitely get into the right kind of an answer and mark that and move ahead. So elimination method is very important. At times you can definitely say कि ये 2 options हो ही नहीं सकते because these are very far apart from the answer which you should be getting. So out of 4 options, if you are able to eliminate 2, then between those 2, then you can do some kind of a juggling कि कौन सा होना चाहिए, and then your probability of getting the right answer will be very high. This is number 4. Number 5 is method of plugging in values. There are a lot of questions of quantitative aptitude or even in DI which can be done by plugging in values in and then finding the right options. So plug करो value. algebra के कुछ question हो सकते हैं, you can put the values values 0, 1 or -1 and see whether the options are getting satisfied or not. This is again strategy number 5. Strategy number 6 can be time allocation. देख लेना, अगर आपको लगता है किसी सेक्शन या किसी सेट में बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम लग रहा है तो आप उसको छोड़ के आगे बढ़ सकते हो. और एक काम और करना है आपको कि एटलीस्ट लीव 3 to 4 minutes as a buffer time at the end of each of the sections, wherein that time can be given going back to a section and doing those questions which you have left, which were of moderate level difficulty level, जो आपने छोड़ दिए थे कि मैं बाद में आके देखूंगा. तो वो buffer time अगर है आपके पास, so that's going to be very beneficial. And step number 6, strategy number 6, which is very crucial while taking your test, is to maintain your calm and composure throughout that 2 hours of duration and having a positive mindset for entire 2 hours. एंड डोंट गिव अप टिल द लास्ट मिनट. यू नेवर नो, हो सकता है आखिरी के 5 मिनट में आपको 4 ऐसे सवाल मिल जाए जो आपके देखे हुए हो या आप सही कर लो, एंड सडनली अगर वो 4 क्वेश्चन आप 5 मिनट में कर लेते हो, आपका स्कोर 12 नंबर से स्कोर इंप्रूव कर जाएगा, विच इज ह्यूज. सो प्लीज डोंट गिव अप टिल द लास्ट मिनट, एंड you can only perform well with a relaxed state of mind. So maintaining a calm composure is very important, and having a positive outlook in the entire examination is very important. So do this, and I'm sure that you will be able to perform well. All these 6 strategies are very crucial. You can watch it again, and in case of any query, you can write your query on the comment box, and we'll definitely help you in terms of mentoring you, analyzing you, and fine tuning your performance. All the best, and believe in yourself. All the best. Do well.